Welcome to Sakai's Collaboration Tools tutorial. Today we'll be going through two tools, forums and blogs. Both of these tools have different uses. First we'll look at blogs because it has a very singular use. Here you'd be keeping something like a journal entry for your professor and your fellow students to be able to read. You can read other students by selecting their name, as you can see here. All students who have started their blogs will appear here. This student does not currently have a blog entry, so if we click Add Blog Entry, we can type our title. We can paste from Word because this is a traditional text editor, or we can use the text editor's features, and we can add in different things. So I'm going to paste from Word, and I'm just going to copy and paste it. When pasting for Word, remember that formatting can be affected. Here you can change the settings for who can see it, and then I'm going to publish my entry. And if I refresh the page, you'll see that my entry is now here, January 3rd, 2015. The second tool we'll be looking at is forums. In forums, your professor will design the layout for you. Because they're designing the layout, this can vary greatly between classes. For example, this layout was specifically designed for a philosophy course and may not pertain to any other course but that specific one. Here we have chapters, and those chapters relate to different books and different topics. So this is the forum, this is the topics. In order to post in a topic, I would start a new conversation. I would type in, I don't know how I feel about that, for the title, and then I will paste my text. Once I post, I'll be able to see the other two people who have posted. That's a specific setting to this forum. Some forums will not have that setting, and you'll be able to read other people's posts before posting. In order to respond, I would click someone's post, and I would reply to initial message, and then I can respond there. And that's how you'll basically communicate in the forums tool. You'll post and you'll respond to posts. You'll never have to create topics or forums. They should be created for you. However, there are some things that you may notice. For example, this is a moderated forum, and if it's moderated, my post will not show up immediately. That's because my professor has to approve it. These are some of the ways that the forums tool can be used. For more information about how your professor plans to use the forums tool, discuss it with them, because there are multiple ways that it can be done. Thank you and have a wonderful day.